A.I Impact 2. Artificial intelligence for policymakers. In today's volatile political landscape, policymakers are facing mounting pressure, change in agendas, louder voices, and higher stakes, while lobby groups and industry advocates race for influence. Policy professionals must do more than keep up. Artificial intelligence is transforming internal policymaking approaches, delivering faster insights, deeper analysis, and helping organizations to present smarter ideas. What you'll learn: AI enhanced policy analysis, predictive insights and scenario planning, review of best practice tools, ethical standards in AI, social and economic impact assessment. This course has been designed for directors of policy and public affairs, policy and advocacy managers, senior policy officers, and for policy analysts and researchers. Walk away with practical strategies to test, validate, and strengthen policy directives by using the most relevant AI tools, all while staying ethical, compliant, and future-ready. From theory to action in one day. Master the future of policymaking. Book now to make impact. Contact us at matthew.thomas@parli-training.co.uk or 020783999326.